boy Crypto Swift. We are back again with another crypto video. I'm on my journey, man, and I came across some things. I was watching certain YouTubers. Shout out to Crypto Crow. He definitely sparked the idea in my head that I should maybe go invest in ICOs. So here I am. I'm on ICO Alert. This website here, it notifies you of all active ICO crowdfunding things going on, the upcoming ones, and the ones that have ended. So this is why I'm here, because I noticed like this right here, this is a token. I'm definitely was looking into Wax token. Imagine if I was able to get the coin before everyone else, before it's the exchange. It's like Datum. Datum is another one. If we go on CoinMarketCap, we see Datum right here. Look at Datum. Datum is 10 cents now. Now, if we were to go to historical data and we show you guys the old time, you'll notice here that in December it was 2 cents. Today it is 10 cents. So that should tell you something, guys. Like, there are massive gains to be gained throughout this thing. So let's take a stab at it. Let's see what's up here on where is it? On ICO Alert. Let's take a stab at this thing and see what's up here. So we have Swissborg. Swissborg does seem like a very good technology to me. It's wealth management along the blockchain and on the crypto. You know, they have been seen on a whole lot of different crypto currency involved websites. Um, let's see the price. Price of one token is 10 cents. Okay, cool. That's for right now. Low minimum cost, referral program, 5% each referral. Yeah, all of this stuff. Cool, great. What I usually look for is this here. See if they have a team. See what the team is doing to check out social media and to actually just make sure this thing looks good to me. You know, they're selling something. They have to look good. They have to take the time out to make sure these things are taken care of. As you can see right here, they already sold $25 million worth of tokens. So it hasn't even hit an exchange yet. You know, let me see if I can find information about this exchange. I know that they're gonna hit they're gonna be on Hit BTC. I just want to find a proper roadmap for you guys just to make sure, so I'm not spreading FUD. Let's see. Nah, it's not Bouncy Campaign. Okay, the roadmap is here. Step 3, roadmap goals. Let's check out this white paper. Oh, I already have the white paper downloaded, so let's go through that. So let's see here. We have Swissborg, we have the white paper. Okay, this basically has to do with financial institutions and investing in wealth management. So let's see if we get to the part where they actually show you which exchanges they will be on. I'm just guessing Hit BTC for the very beginning. We'll do smart mandate contracts, off-chain funds. Okay, boom. So it says here they'll be on Kraken, Yobit, and Bittrex. They're going to be on the Exodus IO wallet, which is amazing. That's amazing. They're going to be on the Bitfinex exchange wallet as well. That's just to start it. I don't know where I got hit BTC from. Maybe I was looking at something else. But it's just showing you, man, these guys have potential to grow. Let's go to another one. Let's just skim through and keep checking some out. Where's this link? Okay, let's check out Wax. Oh wow, Wax sale is concluded, and Wax was definitely a token on the exchange. Look at Wax token. It's $1 now. If we go back, I'm pretty sure you can get this thing for way cheaper if we were to search the all-time data. Of course we can, man. Of course we're gonna get this thing cheaper. Okay, great. So we have December 23rd. It was 90 cents, 60 cents. It's just fluctuating up and down, up and down, up and down. Pretty sure these tokens were way cheaper on the exchange, or you have gotten more for a sale, which is a great thing. Let's go. I click on every window. I know I'm kind of moving fast. Sorry, guys. Let's check out another one. Let's check out. Let's check out Hollow. Hollow Host. The crowd is the cloud. I like how that sounds. ICO whitelist that opens in a day and some change. Creation of the internet changed everything. Now, to me, this site is pretty plain. I feel like they could have done better with this website. Let's see if we actually get to see their team and see pictures of their team. Oh, okay, great. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. All right. You guys doing your thing. You guys doing your thing. I take that back. The overall mission is here. Uh, so this basically, like I said, this gives us, the power to see what's going to happen with these things before everyone else really knows on this ICO alert site.
Type of way of getting funds, but people are jumping in as big Bitcoin whales. One big ICO a couple of weeks ago went in, sold out in one block of transactions, meaning in one 10-minute block, one set of blocks on the Bitcoin blockchain, right? The whole ICO sold out. And that doesn't give many people a chance to participate. And what we want, and in fact, what's critical to the success of our project, is that people actually get these boxes out into their homes and we start having an alternate infrastructure. And for us, having the crowd is as important as having the funding.
I like this. I like what he's talking about. I like what he realizes that's going on with this thing. There are these whales that are just throwing big money in and purchasing everything, and they leave little guys a little stuck. This is the next one here, Graph Network. So basically, it deals with POSs, easy accept, easy pay with Graph. You can pay at POSs with cryptocurrency and the digital assets. It shows you a list of coins here that they're going to deal with for their payment network, and you can take part in this ICO starting January 18th. Their team is here. You got the founders, the director in business, the CMOs, and basically a bunch of places that they've had media coverage. So I feel like with technology advancing, this is like gold right now to to have this ICO alert site. So guys, check it out. You don't have to take my investing words for it because I'm not encouraging anyone to make any investments that they don't have. I'm just encouraging people to, be aware of these things and what's going on. That's my time, man. Crypto Swift. You like this video, like and subscribe. All I'm going to be doing is, as I'm on my crypto journey, learning things that are helpful, I'm going to come back here and I'm teaching them, man. I'm teaching them. I'm giving them out. I'm not leading you through anything, pulling you through this. Sign up for my course. Sign up for this. Sign up for that. Sign up. I want you guys to make money. My Binance link is below. I know, they blocked off Binance. I have Mercatox below. I'm gonna put more exchanges at the bottom as well, where you can get cryptocurrencies and stuff you may be interested in. Coinbase, you can buy coins on Coinbase. Um, Follow me on Twitter for updates and stuff of that nature, man. You guys take care, and I appreciate you guys, man. Peace.